God damn it. Today, Clebby. Cleb, you know what we're doing today?
Taco Bell?
Let's go to Carl's Jr., man. They got something called a BFC. Big fucking cheese. Anyway, I found a coupon, buy one, get one. We're in. It's gonna be a cheapy day. Might have some money left over to go play some golf. School's out, kids. Can I fit this? That's a tight gap. I think I can fit it. Yep. Oh no. That's not good. That's not good at all. Ah. Look. My screw fell out of my GoPro. Whoa. Something's happening.
Sting Chaparral really quickly? Or nothing's wrong?
It got hung up.
Dude, that's it, dude. Got hung up on the pop of corkscrew.
Dude.
Well, you noticing that that's not there didn't change it.
Definitely been a minute since I've seen Bob. I got a sticker or two for him. Office chair. Lineman. Dangerous job.
Come see this sucker. Ow! Ooh.
Bob, it's been a bit. How are you, sir? What do you got for us?
This is how, like...
There is stuff.
Wait, dude.
Whoops.
You think my key tag's still under the cop from last week?
Someone got her.
Someone's got that, dude.
SMG 54 Outdoors. Thanks for the stickers, sir.
Dude, where's the cold hard? Where's the cold hard cash, dude? Are you checking his hat?
Is there anything in the drawer?
They've been asking for you, but I don't see anything. Oh yeah, pointer.
All right. Thank you. We did get something.
It looks empty to me, dude.
A note.
Give me
It's a gift receipt.
Keep up the good work. Love your vids. Nick. Be safe.
All right, Nick.
I bought you a cock and bull, dude. And
What are you doing? That's my gift. What's a cock and bull?
that's my favorite soda.
Cock and bull cherry ginger. All right. Here it is. I found it.
Yeah, nice, dude. That's not how you do it.
What?
That's the wrong way.
You're the wrong way. All right, BFC time. I don't know if I properly explained what it is that we're doing here, this BFC thing. It's this item at Carl's Jr. You upgrade your burgers or whatever, actually. You can put this in anything. I think it costs like an additional $3, but it's a big slab of mozzarella cheddar cheese. It's fried. Yeah. Anyway, they're calling it the BFC. That's what we're doing. Out of my way, Curtis. I have no idea if this is going to be good. I've seen a couple other reviews of this thing, and it looks amazing. But I don't know. I'm gonna have to get like a triple meat patty burger for it to make any sense. I mean, it's a big thing of cheese. You'll see. Stick with me. You'll see. BFC.
Here we go. This is the official bite. I sound like 604 Honda. It's like, it's official. We're officially taking our first official bike. Guys, if you have a Carl's Jr. near you, you have to go at least try this. That way, at some point in your life, you can experience a heart attack.
All right, BFC, what'd you think, man?
I thought it was juicier than hotter than ever before, just like the sign says. I had to eat your cheese because you didn't want to finish it, dude. I love it. I love it.
Dude, I love to eat unhealthy, you know that, but this is too much for me. It's a novelty item, the way I look at it. If you came back here and ordered a cheeseburger, you'd get it with that cheese patty in it?
I want to custom order a big one and just crack it all over myself like an egg.
I don't believe you. I'm good with never eating that again in my life. Let's go hit golf balls. You like golf?
I don't know how to play golf.
Perfect. Ah! Ah! God damn it. I need a push. Go!
That should have worked that time.
It should have worked. What's happening?
All right, one more time. Go up the hill and then I'll push it.
I wanted to go hit golf balls.
We got it up here. We got Taco Gym Association. We got the Taco Gym Association plate. Goodwill on our side. Here we go.
Oh no, Cleb got this thing started. He took it over to Taco Bell, put some hot sauce in the tank, and here we are. I feel pretty gross from eating that cheeseburger. It wasn't even a cheeseburger. That was a cheese patty with burger. Watching all these other food reviewers, man, they're eating that thing, they're loving it. I don't know, man. I'm starting to lose a little confidence in some of these YouTube food reviewers. Maybe they're getting a little kickback. I don't know, man. It's a cool car. What'd you get?
It's just an old. The goal should be to hit that one. Did you do it? You got your helmet on.
What do you think? 50-50, you think this bike's gonna start?
I'm not fucking pushing it, dude.
Let's pray it does. Yeah! She's all charged up. Uh-oh.
No.
Let's go look at this thing. What do you think, man? I feel so much better after smashing those golf balls. I mean, I'm not good or anything, obviously. Something fun about that. You see that guy picking his nose? For those of you that stuck around for the duration of this video, I appreciate it. Thank you. And also to all the patrons of the channel, you know who you are. I love each and every one of you. Thank you for being a part of us. You're the best. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell, because if you don't, YouTube won't tell you I'm releasing videos. If you aren't aware yet, I do have a second channel. It's all dirt bike stuff. Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. And please support channel partners. All I ask, if you're in the market for any of their products or services, consider them first. I appreciate that for sure. All right, guys. Next time. Later.